as responsible as we in this business area. They keep what they promise and make it work. With the Jucat, we have liked the cooperation with the Jucat. Basically, Ponsse is very customer-oriented company. We need to take care of what we promise to the customer. We also keep it, and of course, our machines, they are configurable. We can deliver to customer very specific machine for this customer environment and the wood type they are processing, etc. So we like that our suppliers they have the same principle in the operation. So they are as responsible as we in this business area. They keep what they promise and make it work. We have many heavy these kind of assemblies that we need to rotate to assemble it as a whole. So these bigger things are the robotic welding cells that Jucat has developed for us and built for us. Jucat uses an ABB robots. Those are very widely configurable in the specific needs. Our people know how to use them and have been used to use those robots. Where the Jucat has helped us is in automation in the welding workshop. Without these robot cells, it's almost impossible to make these kind of machines. So the robot has changed the things that how we produce our parts in the manufacturing. When we are investing to the robotic welding, the basic idea is not to get rid of the welders, but to help the welders how they can deliver more from their production. Well, basically, Jucat is a very well customer-oriented company that can supply our robot cells for us and others, and those cells are well made and built to last.